guys, welcome back to another Park Factory install tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your indicator stalk or your wiper stalk. It's relatively the same for either side. If you guys do want this part, it will be linked down in the description below. We've got free express shipping all around Australia. And yeah, let's get stuck into this one, guys.
Alrighty, so first things first, what I do is I would drop the steering wheel down. So just pull the lever out, lower it all the way down, which will give you more room through here. And what you're going to do is you're going to pop off this top trim piece. It just pulls up and then it'll slide back towards you. Go ahead, just grab one finger in there, just pull up. As you pull up, that'll just slide straight through. Next step after that is there's a plug just here. Just going to push down on the plug and pull that one out. Now for the stalk, all it is you got a little tab here, push that one down, and then there's one under here as well. You're going to push that one in, pinch that, give it a little wiggle, and just like that, that's your stalk out. Alrighty, you got your new stalk. All you're going to do is line up your grooves, just like that. Push it in till you hear that click. Once your stalk's all in, you then reach behind here, grab your plug again, push that back in. This will also be the exact same for your wiper stalk. So just repeat what you did on this side and do it on the other side. Go ahead, push your trim piece back up, grab your top piece trim, slide that back in, and remember, drop your steering wheel down, which will just give you a bit more room, and that's job done. Just like that, you got your new stalk on. Both your trim pieces are put back in. Like I said, it's about a 5-10 minute job, if that. Super simple. So yeah, there you go.
Thanks for watching this indicator stalk install video today. I hope this one helped you guys. If it did, definitely please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. My name's Jaden. Thanks for tuning in, guys.